How to fix Shopify inventory not tracked. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open Shopify on your device and make sure you are signed in, and if not, then go ahead and sign yourself in. Now, enable inventory tracking for your products. For Shopify to track inventory, you need to ensure inventory tracking is tuned on for each product. So, go to Shopify admin page and then tap on the products option from the left side toolbar. Now, select the product that is not tracking inventory and scroll down to the inventory section. Make sure track quantity is enabled and verify that the inventory quantity is correct. And if using variants, example sizes or colors, ensure track quantity is checked for each variant. Finally, tap on the Save button to save the changes that you made. Next, check inventory settings for all products. If you have multiple products or variants, you can bulk edit inventory settings. Go to Products in your Shopify admin and then click on the Filter option and choose Inventory Tracking. Select Tracked to show only products with inventory tracking enabled. Bulk edit inventory settings by selecting the products you need and tap on the Edit Products option. Make sure track quantity is enabled for all relevant products and variants. Also review stock management settings. If you are using a third-party app to manage inventory, ensure the app is properly integrated. Go to Apps and verify if any third-party apps are managing inventory. Check the app settings for inventory synchronization, and if the app was recently installed, ensure it has not caused any conflicts with Shopify's native inventory tracking. And finally, check for multiple locations and inventory levels. If your store uses multiple locations, make sure inventory tracking is setting up correctly. Go to Settings and then tap on Locations there. Check that the inventory is correctly assigned to the right locations, example warehouse, retail store, etc. Further, ensure inventory tracking is enabled for all locations that sell the product, and adjust inventory quantities for each location. So, this is how you can fix Shopify inventory not tracked. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.